Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making braised pork and eggs in soy sauce. Usually people use pork belly, but I like the meat so I use regular pork. You can also use chicken. First we want to make hard-boiled eggs. Boil 4 to 5 eggs in a pan and cook for about 9 minutes. The size of your eggs determine the time you boil your eggs. After boiling the eggs, you immediately put the eggs in ice water and let them sit for 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, and then you peel the eggs. Because we're using lean cut meat, I put 5 tablespoons oil in the pan, add 2 sticks of cinnamon, 5 star anise. This is what they look like. 6 whole cloves. Sauté until they start to sizzle. Put the meat and sauté until it turns color. Add 1/4 cup soy sauce and 1/6 cup sweet soy sauce. Add chicken broth enough to cover the meat in the pan. Cook on medium-low to low heat until the meat is slightly tender. Cook on medium-low to low heat until the meat is slightly tender. Add pepper, garlic, sugar, and salt to taste. I use about 1 tablespoon sugar and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Continue cooking until the meat is tender. If the water is too reduced, add more broth. Add boiled eggs and cook until the sauce is reduced under medium heat. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. As always, thank you for your support. Turn heat off and adjust the broth taste at this point. Add sugar or salt depending on your liking. We'll be cooking it for the second time, so don't be too heavy at this point. Put the meat and eggs in a container. This is what the reduced sauce looks like. You can take out the spices at this point if you like. Pour the entire sauce in the container with the meat. Add chicken broth to the pan and pour inside the meat container. We want to make sure that the eggs are entirely covered or submerged in the broth. Otherwise, in the final result, we will have half light brown and half dark brown eggs. Put in the fridge for about 3 days to let the meat and eggs absorb the marinade. Pour in a pan and cook for the second time until the broth is reduced. This is what it looks like when the broth is reduced. At this time, you can take out all the spices and adjust the broth taste at this point. Add sugar or salt depending on your liking. Serve with steamed rice and chili pepper. Thank you for watching and see you next time.